whenever you are going to join any company, you require certain documents. WBS is one of those documents. But here I'm going to give you the way, the technique how WBS will be documented. It will be different kind of stages of your project. I will be explaining it in more details. You can see that we are actually breaking down our project into different kind of components. So before that, we need to understand for construction, we need to understand BOQ. That is done. For engineering, we need to understand the process. Okay, process. For procurement, we need to understand process. What is going on in the industry? Okay, do you understand? First of all, anything. As I give you example that Saeed is going to give me order to manufacture mobile, this water bottle, this laptop, any building. So the first thing I require design. We can call it design, we can call it engineering phase. So what is engineering phase? Within engineering phase, this is a process. First of all these three, like to if EPC kind of thing is going on, so all the organizations, client, consultant, and contractor are going to sit with each other and they are going to make survey, right? They are going to make survey, collect data. If I talk specifically about road construction projects or building or anything, survey means you are going through that thing, site visits, right? You are going, you are going to take engineers along with you, and you are going there, right? Take data and hand over that data to the designers, and they are going to produce on as per your instructions. So that would be called basic engineering, or basic design. After this basic design of my building, again, all people are going to sit with each other. This is the process which is part of our this construction industry. So we need to understand. This is very easy. Even the way I am explaining it, you are going to understand it. That whenever we are going to decide anything, first of all, we are going to make basic planning, right? I will give you an example. Tawfiq is going to marry, right? And Tawfiq is going to ask his uncles that, okay, my wedding event is coming, so I need to plan this wedding event. So I need your advice. So they are not starting to tell you that, okay, on this specific day, this time, like 2 p.m., we are going to open the meal, food. We are going to open this food for the people. No, no, they are going to make basic planning. Okay, which day? You understand now what I mean. Anything, whenever we are going to manage, whenever we are going to, so the same concept will go for the designing phase, basic design. And then the next phase, understood, detailed design. Now, a lot of time there is a misconception. As a planning engineer, maybe Tawfiq is not engineer, and anybody, a lot of people come to me and they ask me, can we learn it? Yes, of course, this is project management. You can understand, but you need to understand processes. So detailed design, basic design is done, once your wedding planning basic things are done, like everything is done, then you are going into the details, that certain day, what kind of dress you are going to wear, detailed design. So about this building construction, once basic design is done, you are going to make detailed design, right? So it means this is the process of industry. So we are going to divide our engineering this into the further two smaller components. So this is actually basic template of a project I'm going to prepare. So here I'm going to right click, add. So there is a child. This is called parent child actually. So I will be sharing with you people. So this is basic design. And then within this engineering, you can click add button, and under this, you can make detailed engineering design, detailed engineering design, or detailed design terminologies. Our words can vary from company to company, doesn't matter. It should be in your mind that you understand the concept, you understand the process. Process is very important, right? So this is called engineering phase. Right now, I suppose that I'm supposed to construct two kind of items in this project as a training part, road and building, right? So I will be making two sub components of construction phase as well. Why I am jumping from engineering to construction? Because I need to make you understand reverse engineering. Reverse engineering, you understand? I will be making you understand in very clarity. I will be adding, and here we have construction phase, and you can make, WBS can be in variety of ways. Either I can make here building and road, or I can make it civil, mechanical, and electrical. It can be anything. So better to discipline wise. When we talk about civil, electrical, mechanical, we're talking about disciplines. When we talk about building road, we're talking about product wise. Understand? So don't ask anybody. You can say that on your wedding day. I will give you another example as well. The same concept goes like this way. Nobody is going to ask you, okay, why you are wearing this much. In some societies, there is a social norm that you cannot wear some specific color. But I'm talking actually generally. Okay, you can put tie or you cannot. It's your will, right? So same WBS. If somebody is going to make construction phase into discipline wise or product wise, it's up to their choice as per the client requirement. When planning engineer is going to work like planning, think about it. Many people are there to instruct you. So, right, when we are going into the wedding planning, a lot of people are going to give you free advice. Okay, no, you need to add this food as well, right? I don't know about your society, but in our society, in Pakistan, India, it's happening a lot of time. People are going to give us free advices. The same way happening over here. But you have to understand the logic. Is it going good? Are we approaching in the good way? And same, there is consultant is going to instruct you. Client is going to give you templates. Just keep this thing in your mind. When you are going to plan anything, there are templates ready made. Why I am helping you to make a lot of effort while developing? Because if you will not understand the logic, you cannot understand those templates. So discipline wise, I'm going to break down it and then add mechanical. These are the major three disciplines. Whenever as a planning engineer, you are going to work anywhere, this is the top priority: electrical, and the third thing is miscellaneous. If anything you forget, you can add over here miscellaneous, finishing, something like that. Is it okay? Or you can write here handover, something like that. EOQ is going to help me in the construction phase. In procurement department is going to help me. The process, I need to understand the process of procurement. That is what I'm explaining step by step. And for designing, I'll be sharing over here the complete designing team over here. Design. As a planning engineer, I have to track design department. Okay. Procurement department. This is called head office planning. This is called head office planning. And this is called site planning. This is head office planning, designing, and procurement. That is how it will look like. Under construction, we are going to make road work, building work, and then we have mechanical, electrical, or handing over. We will have specified contractual milestones we are going to mention, right? Once we are going work in WBS, we have to understand here that this all the hierarchy will look like. You can see parent child. This is, you can see branches, different kind of branches. So how ordering will be started? The first activity, you are going to advertise in the newspaper. The way Said is going to call to the students, how many people are going to come. So RFQ, request for quotation. MR, material requisition, you can say. RFQ, request for quotation. Like, it's very simple thing. You need anything, you need to develop website, you are going to contact website developers and going to ask them, okay, give me your pricing. That what kind of website you are going to manufacture me? Or you are going to take, give pizza for, order for pizza. You are going to call 4 pizza shops in your town, and you are going to, so what kind of taste you have, what kind of flavor, how many prices, what kind of inches available there, how many delights are there, Coca-Cola is free with it or not. You are going to ask, and then you are going to make. So RFQ is something like that. Request for quotation. You are going to contract different kind of suppliers, what they are having in terms of your demand, right? RFQ. You are going to give this advertisement in the newspaper, and then suppliers in the town attached with your company are going to submit their document. So your company is going to receive their documentation, receive bids, their complete requirement fulfilling criteria. And then you are going to ask your team, evaluate them. Who's the best one? Like pizza. Saeed is going to ask Tawfiq, okay, decide, my friend, who is best? You are good one. Your taste is good one. So you are. So there is procurement guy. So evaluation. We can call it technical bid evaluation. Technical bid evaluation. I can write it technical bid evaluation. Like this guy, all the bids. We have 4 pizza, you know, options. We are going to search them. Okay, which one is good one? So that is actually technical bid evaluation. Procurement team is going to do. Then approval, like approval to the one guy, one supplier, and then purchase order issue. Purchase order. Like this way you are going to order pizza. Purchase order issue. Simple. Then this guy is going to start manufacturing. Simple. Manufacturing. Start. Okay. Or you can say document approvals. Document approval. Okay, there are documents involved. You are going to take that as a formality as well. Manufacturing. Then after manufacturing, your representative, like anybody that is involved in the engineering. Even in pizza, you are not going there. The delivery guy is coming on your doorstep, right? So factory acceptance test. Like your representative, any in engineering firm, it's important. You are going to visit how it is they're going to manufacture it. So before shipment, before anything, your representative is going to there and going to make the factory acceptance test, FAT. Okay. And then delivery, like shipment, arrival on board, or delivery on site. Delivery on site. That is how this process is. This process is understandable. Ordering, manufacturing, or delivery, understandable. So now you are supposed to develop this document inside the procurement. The same activities you have to develop within electrical items and MEP items. I think you can follow me the way I have explained. Is it understandable, today's concept and all that?